How to get the creepy TikTok text-to-speech voice filter for the Bentellect trend. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So for that we just have to go on our TikTok app. Then from here you just have to record the video or stitch to a Bentellect video. So I will just record something really quickly. So click on the plus icon from the bottom of the page. Then click done. So from here you have to click on text. And here you have to type your text. So I will type "we're coming for you." After that, you just have to click on the text, then click on text to speech, and then you have to click again on the text. And if you don't have the change voice option like me, then that means you didn't updated your app. So you just have to go on your Play Store, search for TikTok, and then here instead of the open button you have to click on the update button. And if you don't have that, and if you still don't have the change voice option, then that means that this feature is not available in your country. So another cool thing, you just have to go on voice effects, which is in the left side of the screen. Click on voice effects and then click on giant, and that is a really cool sound. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can comment down below your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.